In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I gave this Ikea TV stand a makeover. To start off this project, I removed the feet from the TV stand and spray painted them white, and then I also spray painted the metal parts of the TV stand as well. I went ahead and removed the cabinet hardware with a screwdriver. I went ahead and sanded down the bottom half of the TV stand, and I used a vacuum to get rid of any sawdust. Now I'm just applying a first coat to the whole entire TV stand. I'm only going to show you guys the first coat because the TV stand is all white. So if I show you guys every single coat, you guys will basically see the whole reveal. So I kind of want to save that for the end. To make the new hardware, I started off by measuring and cutting out a 6-inch piece of pine. The hardware that you see me making right now isn't the same exact hardware that I ended up using because these are a little bit too bulky for the size of the cabinet. But to make the ones that I did end up using, it's literally the same exact process, but I just cut the width in half, and instead of using 2 spacers in the back, I only used 1. To patch up the old hardware holes, I'm just using some all-purpose joint compound. Once the joint compound dries, I'm going to go ahead and sand it down and give it a new coat of white paint. To put on the new hardware, I clamped it to the cabinet, put in the first screw, and then I removed the clamp and then put in the second screw. To finish up this project, I'm giving this TV stand multiple coats of polyurethane. I'm using oil-based polyurethane for the hardware because I did stain them with some wood stain, and then I'm using water-based polyurethane for the white paint.
snap.